Now, is it only a one-way search where travelers can search for our properties, or can we actually go in and look for travelers that are interested in coming to our area? Or
Yeah,
how, like, as a landlord, to say, hey, I'm actually really interested in this Furnished Finder thing, renting to travel nurses. How can I see if there's demand in my area?
yeah. So the first way is just to go to furnishedfinder.com. At the homepage, you scroll down and you'll be able to see an area we call it the stats page. So you can type in Denver, you can type in New Jersey, whatever city, state you're in, you can get an updated overview of kind of the historical traveler demand in that area. So it's basically, it'll tell you kind of how many people are searching the site, how many people are search the site within this time frame, how popular is your area.